Too hot to drink.
It looks like coffee.
Oh, it's coffee.
Morning. It's only 6 something in the morning. Still dark out. And we are going to try using our percolator for the first time ever. Right over the campfire. Here's a sneak peek of what it will look like, but first let's take a little time to experience starting the campfire. Birch bark is our preferred fire tinder. It lights easily in most conditions. However, on this morning, the rest of our wood is being a bit stubborn. Enjoy a minute or two of fire building, and the beginning of it crackling as we await a rager big enough to perkle over. Is perkle a word? We're going with it.
Still hot from last night, huh? You're on fire.
A few moments later. Now that's the good stuff. Let's put it on. Campfires while camping can feel so peaceful. Experience this serene campfire moment with its sights and sounds. Just what is a percolator? A percolator circulates hot water through the coffee grounds over and over again until the coffee gets strong enough to drink. As the water boils, it shoots up the metal tube and sprinkles itself all over the grounds before dripping back down into the pot. Percolated coffee has a stronger, more well-rounded taste because the heat over the campfire is a higher temperature than what's in a drip coffee machine that you might have at home or in your camper. So you end up getting a fuller extraction of the beans. Just wait until you see my description of the coffee that we drink here shortly. And we're percoled. Anyway, you'll see it percolating and hear it in action as it bubbles up into the glass top of our pot here over the campfire.
Oh yeah, I hear it. There used to be a song. I talked about that.
I have to look it up.
I think it's been well over 3 minutes.
It's not very dark yet, though.
Maybe I made a week.
A few moments later. Oh, we got the fog. There ain't much water in there at all. Still fogged.
Go. It's too hot to drink.
It looks like coffee.
Oh, it's coffee. Try it some on your spoon.
I can't have my first cup of percolated coffee from a spoon.
You're gonna burn your lip otherwise. Don't do it.
Ooh, she's thick.
Guess we can water our coffee
Could
down
almost chew it again.
in our jug.
Turn it back into beans.
Oh, dear.
Camping coffee.
Just a tiny bit.
A little oat milk in yours?
Not more. I'm gonna drink this one straight.
Wow, it's pretty good. First
yeah.
time
That's better than
ever.
milk.
We're gonna do this all the time.
Nice flavor.
Cool.
Man, we've had this thing forever. Why haven't we tried using it?
Wow, that really changed.
Delicious.
I want to try a black again.
There's some in there. We should save some so Mom can try it.
We could probably put more water and percolate it again. We don't have enough.
It's really good.
Oh, that was a little stout.
Nice. It's just nice. It's soft.
I wonder if we could prepare that and bring it ice fishing and put that on top of the Mr. Heater.
Or don't you just get a jet boil?
They're spongy, aren't they?
Here, they're made for that. They pack up small and everything goes inside itself. They're made for backpack. There's this guy named Firebox. They're neat firebox, and then you need a stick about the size of your arm to have a fire. Length. That's all he cooks on. And it's so
Let's take a hike down to the lake right from our campsite. We're camping in Willow River Campground in General C.C. Andrews State Forest near Willow River, Minnesota. If you're looking to camp here, I'll drop our campsite video link in the description below to help you visualize what site may work best for you. She definitely stings.
Huh?
Whatever I did stings. Can't grip. I injured my hand building a campfire. More on that in future videos. Wow, look at how much it changed since 2 days ago.
Yeah, there's a lot more color.
Yep.
Very picturesque.
Cheers!
Oh, who's that guy? Let's see. It's too dark for your phone to pick it up.
A few moments later. How to use a percolator to make camp coffee over the campfire. Step 1. Add water.
Yeah,
The handles.
that'd be a disaster.
That's why he said it.
Step 2. Place metal tube and basket into percolator. Mud round 2.
One round. Do you want another
Step
stout?
3. Add coffee grounds to the basket.
Don't be shy.
Step 4. Flip the top
There you go. Good luck.
and set onto the campfire.
Feed it.
Step 5. Watch the campfire and feed it to keep the heat high, then sit back and watch the percolator do its thing. Step 6. Campfire chats while we wait. Oh, and Dad found the percolator tune he mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
Remember it?
Yeah.
Oh, the commercial. They
It
probably
will
don't
taste
remember
as good
that.
as it smells, they say.
I was trying to think of that last night.
Hurry up and wait again.
So how often we gotta let it sit? Brown settle?
Well, you don't want it to be percolating when you're trying to pour it.
Step 7. After removing the percolator from the heat, wait a bit for the coffee grounds to settle and for the water to stop boiling. Cole's also turning the handle away from the campfire to cool it off a bit.
It cools down.
Yeah, but I was,
Step 8.
I was thinking what
Pour yourself a cup of campfire coffee.
yeah. You used it for sure. I remember you giving it to me.
Step 9. Once it cools a bit, enjoy, sip, and sit around the campfire. Pro tip from a friend of ours named Julin: cover your percolator in bar soap before putting it over the campfire and it's much easier to clean. We'll do our best to remember that next time. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do to stay tuned for upcoming Just Beyond Park adventures and recipe ideas. If you plan to camp where we're at in this video, check out our campsite video link in description. And we'll see you later.